Yesterday, the OPEC Plus officials agreed to maintain the current plan on increasing oil output. This was a quite unexpected outcome, and this decision is of great importance for the commodities market. We analyzed the news and would like to share our conclusions with you. As we can see on the chart, the decision on crude output hasn't had any negative effect on oil prices. Today, Brent is gaining value and is currently trading at almost $72 a barrel. In fact, a decline in oil prices stopped amid weak macroeconomic data in the US. At the same time, oil cannot develop a steady rally and is holding in the previous trading range. This is a clear sign of an overbought market, which means that oil growth potential is now limited. The publication of initial jobless claims data in the US may put more pressure on crude prices. The commodities market is waiting for any reason to start a correction. Following today's rise, Brent may fall to 71 or 70.5 US dollars a barrel. Analysts confirm that WTI crude is also on track to decline. A correction may be short-lived, but it's ready to start at any moment. Production volumes will increase, whereas the demand is under question. If the jobs data in the US come in worse than expected, this will push crude prices lower. So WTI is likely to move down from the local high of $69.5 a barrel and retreat by $1 or $2. In the meantime, the situation is stable for the Russian ruble. At the moment, the dollar-ruble pair is trading at 72.80. A slight downward movement is still possible, and then the ruble will finally give up. Unless the US dollar had dropped yesterday amid downbeat US data, the ruble would have lost its position on Thursday. The macroeconomic data from Russia was quite disappointing as well. Retail sales in Russia worsened from 10.9% to 4.7%, which is unfavorable for the economic recovery. However, an overall weakness of the US dollar helped the ruble to stay afloat. Today, the Russian currency will most likely change its direction if positive employment data supports the greenback. From the fundamental viewpoint, the trajectory of the euro versus ruble pair remains the same. Besides, technical indicators also confirm an approaching decline of the Russian ruble. The euro-ruble pair is controlled by the bears as they managed to drop the price to the level of 86.60. The nearest support is found at the mark of 86, which may lead to a decrease in the volume of short positions, and this is the most likely scenario for the near term. The OPEC Plus meeting hasn't had any serious impact on the oil market, at least for now. The alliance agreed to ramp up output by 400,000 barrels per day. The meeting took less than an hour, in contrast to the previous talks in July, so the outcome of the meeting is clear. We also expect that today's jobs report in the US may push the oil prices lower. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.